to my first ever video log entry of the month. It's May 7, 2013, and the time is exactly 5 p.m. And it's a gloomy Tuesday. The skies are pretty much gloomy and gray, and clouds are in a cumulonimbus form, and wait, why am I being a weather forecaster? I'm really sorry if the background is really noisy, because the dogs are really freaking out right now. I really don't know why. It scares the crap out of me, man. It's really scary, you know? No, it really is. When dogs are barking really loud while you're doing a video, it like distorts your mind completely. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I'm supposed to say something smart. Okay, so do you guys see the white thing? Sorry, I knocked my laptop off. What the heck is that white thing floating? Oh my god, I'm freaked out. So my derp mode's activated, and today you're gonna see loads of funny stuff right here, right now. And it's basically the things I video recorded that I thought seemed pretty funny to me. And I don't know if it may seem funny to you, or boring, or sarcastic, or whatever. So yeah, I'm not here to impress you. Hey guys, it's me, Nicole, and today I'm here at the lovely city of Iligan. It's this neighboring city beside Cagayan de Oro, which is my hometown, and I'm here because my mom has this business thing with the company that she's working with. And look! Hey look! It's a calesa. It's like this something carriage or what that has... So yeah. What am I gonna... Okay, so I'm here at the car, and my mom's in trend line right there. That's trend line. It's got this pen shop store, and she's got to audit these shops. So yeah, she's got this busy thing going on. It's been really tiring the whole day. We went here yesterday, and we arrived yesterday. Why am I so awkward? So yeah. So boring, and I don't know what to do. And I decided to not come with her because in there, I know it's hot. Oh look, it's a calesa again. It's a calesa again. It's a calesa again. I want to ride that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, people keep on staring inside the car, and it's... Oh my gosh, look, it's another one. They're so cute! Horses are so cute! Oh my gosh, there's another one! Oh my gosh, it's got a ponytail! Ah! I'm weird. No cry! 'Cause now we're gonna make it right. And it'll be okay, 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 okay. Woman, no cry! So yeah, I guess this is my vlog for the day. Oh my gosh, I really want to ride those. I hear that there's many of that in Vigan City on Luzon. And yeah, I'm really glad that Iligan has one of them too. Oh my gosh, Shakira! Samina mina zangalewa, orquesta es Africa. Waka waka, samina mina zangalewa. Oh my God. I'm so boring and awkward. Oh yeah! Oh, Calissa! Weirdo.
Baby, let me love you now. There's so many ways to
Love ya!
maybe I can break you down.
So yeah, I guess that's it for today. My name is Nicole, and please do not forget me. I am Nicole. Why did I just say that? Okay. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the future. So that was our video of Iliga. Are you guys still awake? LOL! So yeah, it's 7:09 p.m. and I've just ate dinner, and I know you guys don't care, but yeah, I'm gonna say it anyway. So yeah, just a little fun fact to break the ice. I made this video when I was 11 years old. It's called Friendship Remains, and it's got 3 parts, and it's on YouTube, so you guys should search it or click the link below on my pointy thing. Yeah, it's by my username, warfreak0116. That was my username before. So the storyline's pretty much bogus, but yeah, it's worth the make. I mean, it's composed to my cousin, my brother, and me, and we had these really cool background music, and it's really great. Yeah, so yeah. So my next video will be quite short, and it's about my brother who shamelessly danced and did these freaky weird moves in the grocery store. I hope you guys would enjoy it. So that was the end of it. So I'm sorry, but I have to say goodbye for today. But don't worry, I'll be making more vlogs. Please follow me on Twitter. My username's gonna appear on the screen right now. There it goes. So please follow me. I would appreciate the subscribe from any of you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day.